It's important to be bilingual in the IT field because technology is very widespread, and you could be servicing people who can speak any kind of language in the world. So it's really good to have the ability to communicate with more than just one group of people. Hi, my name is Ryan. I am a student at Phoenix College and I am studying programming and system analysis. Hola, mi nombre es Ryan y soy un estudiante en el Colegio de Phoenix y estoy estudiando la programación y análisis de sistemas. I chose to do IT because even when I was a little kid, I was always interested in technology, having had a lot of it growing up due to my parents just buying me due to my parents buying me consoles and all that sort of stuff. Along with the fact that when I was going through school is when they started to incorporate these things into everyday classwork. And so it's been with me throughout essentially my entire life. Decidí entrar a la información tecnológica porque desde que nací crecí jugando muchos videojuegos y cuando entré a la escuela empezaron a introducir más tecnología a las escuelas y eso me ayudó a tener una pasión para la información tecnológica. At the moment, in my internship, I am introducing myself to companies. Among them are the Mexican Consulate and Founders Workshop in an attempt to find a position that has a good fit for me to gain work-based experience in the IT field in order to start my career. Estoy contento en empezar en tomar mis clases de programación para lenguajes como C# y Python porque esas clases son las fundamentales de mi carrera en programación. Ser un estudiante de colegio de primera generación con mi diploma, quiero regresar a mi comunidad hispana para inspirar a otros a entrar a esta carrera de información tecnológica para hacer la tecnología más accesible para todos. Si yo lo puedo hacer, todos lo podemos lograr. If I can do it, we can do it.